that hit the stone. Was there ever a chance for you?
Your brother's way beyond reach, Mr. Diggle. It's all over now.
You took the words right out of my mouth.
I need to sacrifice. Not enough. You know what to do.
Oh, I feel so much better.
Hey, I am sorry about your buddies, but omelets and eggs and all of that. But I know how to make it up to you, though.
Who wants to go for a walk outside?
Andy here might have mentioned that his brother John worked for the Green Arrow, or should I say, Oliver Queen. See, I know what you're all thinking, but no, but he didn't tell me. It was really just a hop, skip, and a jump from the whole Diggle connection to you, to your little sister, to your ex-girlfriend. But when you came to rescue that boy, William, that look on your face, that was a father's look. I should have recognized it there and then.
We need to get out of here now.
Patience. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. Ms. Lance, 9 months ago, I made your daddy a promise. I told him what I would do if he betrayed me. Impressive. Now, where was I? Oh, yeah. I want you to give your father a message from me. I want you to tell him I'm a man of my word.
All right. It's okay. Hey, look at me. You're gonna be all right. You're gonna be all right. Come on.
She's seizing.
Embolism. I need 5,000 units of heparin bolus. What happened?
I don't know. She was fine.
Paddles.
Charging 200. Clear? Go.
Clear.
Nothing.
Let's bag her. Open up her airway.
Come on. Come on.
Logs, 30% drop.
Come on.
Wrist low. No response.
Time of death, 11:59.
I never thought we'd be here again.
Me neither. I figured we were punished enough first time now.
We were. Oh, at least for a while, and then Sarah came back to us.
I don't think that's gonna happen this time.
How can you say that? Our girls always come back to us, Quentin.
Yeah, maybe before, but not this time. I'm sorry, Ty, but she's gone. She's never coming back. She's dead.
Mr. Queen has requested to say a few words.
This doesn't seem right. I knew Laurel Lance for almost her entire life. She was my friend, and I loved her. Before she died, I was lucky enough to hear her tell me that she loved me too. Laurel Lance became a lawyer to help people who may have appeared helpless. She wanted to give a voice to the silent. But just being a lawyer wasn't enough. She wanted to do more for those people and for this city because she loved this city so much. By now, everyone knows that Laurel was killed in the Iron Heights prison riot. And while it's true that she was an assistant district attorney, that's not what she was doing there that night. Before she died, Laurel told me the truth. Laurel Lance was the Black Canary. And for the past few days, I have had to sit and listen to people try and paint the Black Canary as a criminal. She was not a criminal. She was a hero. She was a hero in every way that a person can be. And if Laurel were here, I know that she would expect all of us to live up to the example that she set. She'd want us to save our city.